Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to more options we can manage. And now let's focus on this button from the right with settings. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide a little bit down and focus on the photo settings here. At the last position we have the watermark option, so let's tap on this. Here we are. As you can see we have 3 watermarks we can add. The phone model watermark, so by using this button we can turn it on and off like that. And with this watermark it's also connected the custom watermark, as you can see. So here when we tap on this we can add our own watermark, for example hard reset. And okay, so we have 2 in 1. But remember that we can't add the custom watermark without the phone model, so this is connected. We have also here the date and time watermark, so the same thing happens when we tap on this button. We can turn it on and off like that. And also the location watermark, so we can add our location to the picture. By using this button we can turn it on and off also. So we can add just one of this, or 2, or all 3. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to show you how this watermark looks like on the real one. And now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this we get quick access to the gallery. So this is our picture, and as you can see here we have the watermarks in the left corner at the bottom. Let's get closer to it. And as you can see this is how it looks like. So we have the device watermark with the custom one, then the timestamp and the location. And of course when we don't need this we can easily go back to the camera, then to the settings in the right corner, pick this settings with the camera, more advanced, slide again to the photo settings and pick once again the watermarks, tap on these buttons. So for now this is turned off. When we take another picture the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.